Greetings to the respected my dear judges, jury members, and my dear evaluators. Uh, we are from team CodeSphere, and I am the team leader. And my name is Innomatics, and I am pursuing BTech third year at GIFT Autonomous Bhubaneswar. So, coming to our point of view. So today I am here to deliver my hackathon project problem statement, that is automated OMR evaluation and scoring detection system, and it is present in theme 1 in the code for EdTech hackathon. And coming to our main hackathon website, actually our main hackathon website, that is code for EdTech hackathon, and it is organized by Innovation Lab, and it is a huge lab, and you can say corporate IT sector lab, and it provides the good and efficient knowledge and education to the careering student, so that he or she can fulfill her dreams after completing the courses in the innovative labs. So actually, this innovative labs is present in different states of India, and it provides a good knowledge, and it provides extra benefit, like provide 50% above scholarships, and it provides mainly many industry experience people to sharing his or thoughts, so that a student can learn and how to he or she can achieve the goal in career. And it is a good corporate IT sector, and this is all about the hackathon, that is code 84 code for tech hackathon website, and it is organized by Innovation Lab. So coming to ourselves, so actually our from the beginning I mentioned that our team name is CodeSphere, and in that team I am the team leader, and my name is Subhamera. So actually coming to the main problem statement, our problem statement is present in the hackathon website in the theme 1, and it is mainly on Python programming, and the themes or the tech stack are that we included in it are OpenCV, CNN, computer vision, and etc. And our problem statement name is automated OMR detection system, or automated OMR detection and scoring system. So coming to the problem statement, actually in day by day, the teacher job is very critical. Means a teacher is means suffering different types of problem, from starting from his means morning to at the night of the sleeping time, and it includes in the study our something like in the college workload, means to studying the students, and another one is university or school workload and family workload. And actually our main objective is to reduce the time of teacher and provide the error free detection system in the OMR detection system, and and provide a user friendly between user and means user means students and a teacher, and bonding them in a proper good manner, and to identifying or to publishing the result in short term time. So actually in the problem statement, in the day by day the students are get enrolled in different colleges or university. Let's say for take an example of our colleges, and as you know that our my college name is GIFT Autonomous, and I am in currently in third year. And in the third year, there is chance, and there are several chances of in 6th semester coming up placement drives. And let's say suppose in our batch in the third year, let's say 500 students present in our colleges for third year to take an appointment in placement. And so let's say TCS is a campus is coming to our colleges to take some students for getting internship and to provide some placement. So when the TCS come, and the TCS they provide our college teachers to take an computer based OMR sheet test, and it is mainly done by several companies, not only for TCS, and different schools and universities, and different engineering colleges. In our colleges, there are 500 students, and by taking the OMR sheets, to the student and providing the questions, and by using the question and OMR sheet, they and the student want to drag and take a drop in the take a circle in the OMR sheet, and it is up to 1 to 100 questions, and each questions have 4 options A, B, C, D. And if the student have question number 1, and in that question number 1, and he and she has 4 options A, B, C, D, and according to his her result or his qualification, he or she can mark the OMR sheet. So 500 students can mark the OMR sheet, and to checking the 500 students result, it is mainly a time taking process, and to check the 1 to 500 to students mark sheet, it will require 10 to 15 evaluators, and one evaluators take 1 day approximately. Means he or she want to check around 40 to 50 OMR sheet after his or her class. So this takes a much more workload to the teachers, and it also takes multiple number of workloads in teachers, and multiple number of stress and in the teachers. So it is very time consuming, and in the human, and every human have human errors. If some of our teachers, they evaluate wrong answers, then he or she can upload the wrong answer of the student, and the student, they cannot find his or appropriate result, and it is most probably in some test cases not actually possible. So actually our coming to our this is our problem statement that is the teachers are facing to rectify or to giving the results by checking many number of OMR sheets, and we have to create a such type of platform using Python and his library, means Python's library, so that it could takes much more time, like in 1-2 days to let's say 1 to 2 minutes for 500 students. For one student, it takes 2 to 3 seconds. So this is all about our problem statement. Coming to the solution, we think, me and my team members, means we are 2 members in our team, and we are in a duo type of team. And so me and my friend think that how we solve that problem, and by solving, and according to our idea, we have to create a such type of web-based application so that it could reduce the time of checking of the each OMR sheet. Means it takes multiple number of sheets at a time, and in the mobile phone access, mobile phone camera using the OpenCV, and it can rectify, or it can verify the result and publish the result in the student portal in just 5 to 10 minutes in let's say 500 OMR sheets, for 500 OMR sheets. So coming to the actual, we are actually our plan. So we have to make a such type of web application, and in that web application there are in that web application we have provided several buttons in the option of neighbor system, and first option takes the dashboard of the teacher want to add the OMR sheets in single format or multiple format by accessing his or her camera, mobile phone camera. And second option is for processing. Processing means let's say they have an exam, and there in the exam have several 100 questions. So by conducting the 1 to 100 questions, the teacher have to add the answers from 1 to 100. First, the teacher want to add the answers let's say there are several means boxes are there, 1 to 100 boxes, and they are in row wise and column wise tables. And let's say in one column, one column and one row, there have a one box, and in that one box there display 4 options, A, B, C, D. And if the teacher wants, then he or she can, if the actual result is B, then the teacher want to click B, option B. So that the question number 1 have result B, means the question number 1 have option B is the right answer, and it could be saved. And this process takes 1 to 100 times, means for 4 option to, let's say, C answer, D answer, means 3 means D answer up to 100, let's say Y, B, C, D, and etc. That the answer that the teacher want to set first. After the setting of the answer sheet, the teacher want to access the camera, his or camera, for uploading the OMR sheet, and by using the OMR sheet, he or she can detect what is the actual result. In the actual result, the teacher want to access the result of the student, and there have only one option is for analytics. It means there are the different dashboards are there, and in that dashboard it shows what you can say area chart, donor chart, circle chart, and etc. different type of charts. It also provides what are who is the leader, means the leadership rank of the students. Means if let's say 500 students are taking the exam, means the teacher want to take the photo of 500 OMR sheet, and he or she can detect which person or which student have highest mark around from 100 out of 100, and which student have lowest mark. And it is a provide a means you can say it provide a leadership ranking wise table format. Means let's say Shubham had scored 89 and he's a first, and Abhijit Behra he scored means 3.5. Let's say example 3.5, and he is placed in 100 number place. So that interface would be placed in the analytics part, or you can say result part, and that would be something named in our website as key analysis, and means the result analysis, and the key answers present in the when the teacher want to set the answers in our website. And there have one logout button, so that the teacher want to log in our website at anywhere in her room or in her college, in her university at a time, and he or she can log out it. And another option is to export the result, means to export the result from CSV file or PDF file or Excel file. And and the teacher have also a admin option, so that he or she can add the students who scored more marks, so that he or she can paste it in her official official college management system, means official CMS website, to showing that this person, means this student got highest mark in the OMR sheet test. And this is all about our problem statement solving. And we have to in the future we think that we have to add this all the processes in integrated with mobile phone, and we have add a different a style interactive dashboard, so that it looks attractive as like modern website in your phone or in your browser, etc. And we have to add local language support like English, Hindi, Odia in Odisha, and in different colleges and or in different state it has different languages present in each app, means each website or each app. And we think we have to add a local storage or local device, or you can say local access, means if someone is in offline mode, or someone don't have the network, so someone don't have network problem, means someone have network problem and someone facing networks in the rural area, he or she, means a teacher or students, they both can use our website in the offline mode also, because we provide the offline access. And coming this is all about the overview and problem statement and solution of our problem statement. So coming to the main objective, our main objective is to reduce the time of a teacher and provide the result in error free by using the advanced AI or next generation AI power website or you can say app, so that it looks attractive. And in the third, we want to add different types of charts, analytics, so that it looks attractive. And this is all about the objective. And our other objective is to it creates a bond between student and teacher, because if there is no error in the detecting the result, and reduce the error of the teacher, so that a student can take his or her actual result according to his or mindset, or according to his or problem solving skills in each question from 1 to 100. This is all about our website design, means objectives. So coming to the tech stack, actually as our in the hackathon website, that is written in the theme one, that we should use Python, CNN, computer vision for camera detecting, and you can say in the backend we use Flask and TensorFlow and some machine learning concepts to detect to predict what is the actual result, means combining the previous results. And another one is we have to add another option that is and in the front end part we have to add in the back end part we have to add Flask, TensorFlow and machine learning part. And in the front end we have to add Streamlit, which is a open source present in Python library, and it is provide a cloud storage to deploy our app in the Google browser any other or any other browsers present in the today's platform. And also they have a option in our website to add the students, to viewing the student, to view the result of the student. And it is mainly dependent two panels, one is for student panel and another is for admin panel. And and coming to the tech stack, our tech stack is consist of front end that I have told sometime before, and from back end. And in the database we think we have to use SQL or PostgreSQL, means structured query language, to store the data in the .db extension file, so that it looks or it can load the data sets at any time when it is in offline mode. So this is all about our tech stack. And coming to our what is the impact and benefits that our website provides. So actually the benefits are our website provides first one is local language support, and another one is mobile phone integrated with a web plus mobile app integration, both are in one platform. And another one is for secure, means we have add email verification notification, so that it will secure the students information and teachers information of the result, regarding the results and of different colleges or schools or universities. And we have to make a 2x2 two-step verification encryption for security purposes, and use the different types of APIs for to create a chatbot in our app or in our website. This is all about the tech stack and its improvement. So coming to our how does our project coming to the this is all about the benefits, and it provides the local language support, and another is the offline support, and mobile app integration, and etc. And coming to our main objective is to provide it provides the access of our app or website in free mode, because in the market there are several OMR detection system apps are present, but they charges money to access teachers and students. But in our website or in our platform, it will free to access. Everyone can access at a time in offline mode, or you can say in online mode, or in her his or her own language, means in her or her offline support languages, like if in Odisha they want to use English, Hindi or Odia. So this is all about the our actual tech stack and its implementation. So coming to the impacts, it impacts means free of cost. First one is the impact, and it uses advanced AI models to detect means to detect at a time several reports, and to verify the result in just 2 to 4 seconds. And this is all about our web problem statement and etc. And coming to the conclusion, we successfully concluded that if we made a website plus app based platform which is helpful for teachers as well as student. And coming to the our what is actually done inside the means the technical part of our website. So actually we have placed two options. One is for student panel and another one is for admin panel. And though that I have explained before sometime, that is present in admin panel, like upload, analytics, dashboard, login, register, add student, user, logout. This is all also present in admin panel. Panel means student means teachers panel. And what in the student panels, a student want to log in or log out his or her means using her email address or using her name in our platform by logging it before the after the registration process. And that after that he or she, the student will only see the result, means the result of of his or her message. And they do, and in the student panel they don't have any option to have to take edit of the answer and to rectify the his or her mistake. But it only shows what are the implementation, I mean, what are the mistakes that the student done in the means OMR sheet. Means let's say a student score 82 marks out of 100, and it means it wrongs sorry, it wrongs 18 marks. If he or she wrongs 18 marks, then our AI chatbot will suggest how to improve that one, and how to what are the syllabus they want to follow, so that he or she can make better in after in next time attempting the OMR sheet, so that every student can take the advantages of our website, and he or she can means he or she can secure more percentage or more mark to journey in his her career. So this is all about the total interface after the loading phase of our website. So coming to the next step, means what is the present inside of our website in the technically. First teacher want to log in and register as a teacher and both students, and he or she can add the student, remove the student list from the database, and provide the result and enable it, so that it will be processed in student dashboard as well as teacher dashboard. So this is all about our website and its workflow. And coming to the conclusion, we successfully concluded that our website is mainly free. It will have several features so that everyone can access it at a time in offline and online mode, and it is also within mobile based application also. Thank you to my dear judges and my dear jury members and evaluator to listening our presentation. And after that I will provide a short demo video of our how does our website work. So till then, thank you to watching our presentational video. Thank you, sir.
Here is our PPT that presents automated OMR evaluation and scoring system, a next gen AI powered solution for Innomatics Research Lab, that is present in Code for EduTech Hackathon website. So actually, our team name is CodeSphere, and I'm the team leader. My name is Mamera, and my team member name is Rakesh Mahapatra, and we both are in the branch of computer science and engineering at GIFT Autonomous Bhubaneswar. And as we are in two members, so our team is a duo type team members, and our problem statement theme present in theme one. Okay, so coming to the next slide, that is introduction. In the introduction, as you see, the manual OMR evaluation is a time-consuming and error-prone, present in day-to-day life for teachers and students, because it provides means it provides a error in like in the form of human error, so that a teacher wants don't want to see when the teacher have a high stressful workload, and it takes more time, and the feedback between teacher and student is very less. So the system that we have generated, that we have created in the website form and our app form, this system provide a fast and accurate transparent AI powered resolution, and it is a combination of computer vision plus AI and cloud dashboard for you can say a bulk seat, means a combination of more seats processing and analytics. So coming to the problem statement, actually our problem statement is present in theme one that I have told before, and it is in automated OMR automated OMR generation and scoring detection system. And here is the problem statement that delays in result processing, human error, and lack of advantages. And objectives is to create the automatic entire OMR result evaluation process and provide instant scoring and generate student-wise, question-wise reports. And core features are power bubble detection system and dashboard and analytics, real-time feedback, mobile app integration, and means provide security, means two-step verification encryption for student as well as teacher, and advanced future scope for real-time analytics that we have done in future, and adaptive practice, means performing the different types of test one and after another, like study apps or study websites, means the apps the apps who provides education, that website that I am talking about, and employer and placement reports, etc. And dashboard design means UI UX, means what we have implemented in our website, means in our app, like welcome login screen with animated logo, and upload process, result, analytics part, and dashboard, clear view dashboard, modern as like modern website, and OMR detection logic implementation workflow, like in phase one, teacher portal, OMR processing, result, and analytics, and another one is for student portal. And technology stack, actually in future we have to use React.js for a better means modern means interface of front end, and backend, as I told in the previous, Flask, TensorFlow, Django, and MySQL or PostgreSQL, and OpenCV, TensorFlow, AIML for prediction, and deployment in actually in future we have to deploy in a server that is AWS, but currently we have to deploy it in Streamlit, is a front end cloud database. So these are differences and explainable results and auto set detection, etc. And the conclusion, automated OMR evaluation, which provide faster and smarter, transparent, and AI driven insights, scalable and cloud ready, future proof. So this is all about our problem statement and our presentation PT, as well as visualize presentation. Then comes to our next, that is our working flow of our website, means the prototype of our website.